Oh, it's you again. We've told you you can't come here. I don't care. Just don't like people coughing on me. I didn't cough on you. Hello, where's the checkout? Just over there. You need to leave the premises immediately. Oh, hi, brother. I am not leaving the premises. Brother? Yeah, he is my brother. I need to go to the checkout. Did you just sneeze on me? No, I didn't sneeze on you. You over there. Yeah, I saw you just sneezed on him. You're literally standing 3 feet away. You know what?